Hey mamas, welcome back to the channel. I'm Nina Spears, also known as the Baby Chick, and today I'm sharing a DIY recipe that's not only simple and natural, but also a game changer for soothing your baby's delicate skin. Did you know you can turn your extra or even expired breast milk into diaper rash cream? It's true. I saw this idea from @thatbreastfeedingmom on Instagram and I knew I had to try it out for myself. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to make this nourishing cream, explain the benefits of each ingredient, and share tips for customizing it to fit your family's needs. Now let's get started. Before we jump into making this DIY breast milk diaper cream, let's quickly talk about why these ingredients work. First up, beeswax. This acts as an emulsifier, helping the water-based milk and the oil-based products combine smoothly together. So if you can't use beeswax because maybe you're allergic to it, I recommend substituting it with another wax like candelilla wax. Okay, next is vegetable glycerin. This really draws in the moisture and changes the balm's texture, making it super hydrating. If glycerin isn't your thing, you can always swap it out with tallow. Coconut oil is naturally antibacterial and moisturizing, but you can also substitute this with almond or grapeseed oil if you prefer. And yes, you can even use expired breast milk when you're making this DIY cream. It's packed with nutrients and perfect for this recipe. I'm going to use about 2 ounces, but you can adjust based on what you have available. And there you have it, a gentle, natural, and nutrient-packed diaper rash cream. A few important things to note. This cream lasts a few weeks at room temperature or up to 3 months in the fridge. You'll want to avoid using this cream for yeast rashes since breast milk has a high sugar content that can feed the yeast. And lastly, customize the recipe as needed with the substitutions I mentioned earlier to make it work for your baby. Thank you so much for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more tips and advice for moms. I'd love to hear if you try out this cream. Let me know in the comments how it worked for you and if there's anything else you'd like me to try. You're doing an amazing job, Mama. So I'll see you in the next video. Bye-bye.